tayo mga guys. Kuha tayo ng isang sibuyas. Ayan. Kuha tayo ng salata. Pero wala kaming parsley and then cucumber. Kamatis lang at saka ito. So, ayun lang. Tara. Gambala pa ng mga nagpapahinga. Ayaw nga pala, no? Pasukan na bukas. Ngayon, syempre, kailangan natin itong lagayan ng sibuyas. Hindi ko to ubusin kasi masyadong marami to. Baka magkandabaho-baho na naman tayo nito pagising natin bukas ng maaga. Ayun. Pagkat di ko kakayanin ko meron pala, ayan, So, meron pala tayong tatlong, dito. Itong mga mahaba, tapos ito. Pero kailangan natin muna hugasan itong dalawa. Ayan. Kalahati lang nito yung ating gagamitin. At ito na nga mga guys, yung aking ginawa. Doon sa tatlong pinakita ko sa inyo, kamatis, itong mahabang sili na hindi man maanghang, tapos itong ating sibuyas. And then, lalagyan natin ng olive oil, lemon, and salt. So, ayun, tapos na po. At ito yung lalamunin namin ngayong dinner. Ano siya? Doner tawok. Ano ba yung tawag sa chicken doner? Chicken doner. So, ayun po. Ito yung aming lulutuin. And naglabas na din ako ng bread. Kanina pa to. And ito yung papalamanan namin.
First thing, how to make yourself pretty. First thing first, open this.
Oh.
No, this.
Still good. Sige.
My face is sensitive, so I have to do it to my mother.
Okay.
My beautiful mother.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes, mother.
Close your eyes, mother. Close your eyes. There's no color.
Yeah, I knew. Okay, now.
Napaka-torture naman itong nag-makeup sa akin.
Look, it looks like this. It's a bit color. Okay, look at the blue.
Update mga guys.
Now, do you like it?
I like it. And what did you say? Earlier, you said you look ugly now. Am I look like a clown?
It hurts.
Where you gonna put that? Dam-dam. Tuwag-tuwa siya. Sensitive daw kasi yung sensitive daw kasi yung kanyang yung kanyang skin, kaya sa akin na lang daw. Say my skin is sensitive.
Yeah, my skin is sensitive. Why are you laughing?
It's
You're
not,
saying it correct.
it's not correct.
Hmm?
It's sensitive.
Sensitive.
Yeah, say aloe vera.
Alligator.
Sensitive.
Sensitive.
And alligator.
Alligator. Alligator.
Alligator. Haldi, that's it, Damla. You want to be a makeup artist?
Yeah, but no, it's falling down, falling down.
Falling down, London Bridge is
Falling down.
fall. 5 little monkey, Humpy Dumpy.
floor and I look down.
Pagkabilang ko tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Kayo po na nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo.
Keyifli bir takım oluşuyor. Bu
Tama
tarafta,
ba yun?
enerjisi yüksek insanlar var. Alper'in performansı özellikle geçen hafta beni çok etkilemişti.
Not
Şimdi
done yet.
Alper'le birlikte çalışacağım için ekstradan sevinçli. İlk kez olacak. İlk kez olacak. Emre, Kaan ve
Pinuno niya talaga yung ano eh.
Mommy, why on that did you didn't like it?
I really like it because I really like it. I'm laughing because you say sensitive instead of sensitive.
Sensitive. But I'm saying it like.
No, it's wrong. It's not sensitive. It's sensitive. Kudkud na kudkud yan, Damla. You're so cute. I'm a beautiful now. Are you?
But mommy look like a clown with cheeks. Why did you ask for cheeks? Do you wanna be yourself a clown?
Am I look like a clown now?
Yeah. Why do you have this? Should I make you a red, pink nose to be like a clown?
Okay, try it.
No, I will not.
Az ihtiyacı olan değil. Burada pastacı kim var şu anda? Ben varım. Kaptan zaten Kani. O Sedat.
네. I wanna be a totally Christmas tree.
Almanya'da kaptanlık yapmak.
Gabi kuskus yun ah. Nalinis yung libag ko ah.
Öyle olmalıydı, öyle olmalıydı.
I wanna be a totally
Zeytinyağı.
Wow, lipstick!
Okay, lipstick. Oh, tapos na. And next is...
Lipstick. But I'm not finished with that.
Okay.
What? This looks better.
Okay. What's the color of that? How? Okay.
Masterchef devam edecek.
Dikkat et.
Güzel mi peki Murat?
Güzel.
Güzel mi?
Şaka dışarı bir söylüyorsun. Daddy.
Evet.
Daddy is lying.
Sen ne böyle dedin?
Parang ang namaga yung mukha ko dun ah. Kaka. Kuk. Not done yet? Okay, Adi. Parang nangangati na yung mukha ko.
What?
Natin kasam. Yung kuskus na kuskus. Kuskus na kuskus. Isang pahidan palang ubos na. Alam na, that's enough kasam.
I like you. But this one is much better. It's messy.
It's okay.
Palancho.
How is it, Kazam?
It looks good.
Is it pretty? So pretty? Do you want, then put me, I want nail polish.
No.
Nail polish.
And mom, is that not great?
I like.
Silvery.
Of course, Kazam, I can't breathe them. Wait. When you're removing it, you have to get it like this. Okay.
First this one. Make it straight.
Wait.
Ah! Why did you do that?
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within just be vibing, reaching for something within